Many people do not realize that the choices they make when filing federal income taxes can affect their immigration status. Applicants for permanent residence, naturalization, and certain types of non-immigrant visas must submit copies of their federal income taxes with their applications. Officers will scrutinize every aspect of these tax returns, including the number of dependents that are reported, the amount and types of deductions that are reported, among other items. If an immigration officer determines that you've committed tax fraud, it could be the denial of an immigration benefit, and in some cases, it could lead to removal proceedings. A common issue raised as tax fraud is claiming dependents or family members who are not qualified as dependents. In order to claim someone as a dependent, the dependent must not take a personal exemption or be claimed by anyone else, not be married and file a joint tax return. They must be related to you and under 19 years old, or if they're a full-time student, under 24 years old and live with you for more than half the year, and be someone for whom you provide more than half of their support. The dependent does not have an age limit if they are permanently or totally disabled, and the dependent must live with you or be listed under the category called relatives who do not live with you pursuant to IRS Publication 501. Finally, they must not make more than $4,050 in 2018. Many people claim relatives from Canada and Mexico as dependents because they send them money, and they send them support. Again, this is not allowed if the person is not sending them more than half their support. If your annual earnings are below a minimum set by the IRS, you may be exempt from filing a tax return. That means you won't have to file a tax return. You can find the minimum amount set by the IRS in Publication 501. However, if you meet the minimum income requirement, whether you're documented or not, and you fail to pay taxes, then this could be considered a lack of good moral character and may deem someone ineligible for certain immigration benefits. Lawful permanent residents are required to file federal income taxes as long as they're earning the least minimum income amount. If they fail to pay their taxes, they may be ineligible to seek naturalization in the future, or they may experience problems when attempting to renew their green cards. If you think that you may have reported an unqualified dependent, overstated or understated the amount of deductions, then you can amend your tax returns before applying for an immigration benefit. Information about filing for federal income taxes, reporting deductions, exemptions, and other issues can be found at the IRS website located at www.irs.gov. You can contact your tax preparer for assistance in filing these amendments.